It's moving day once again in the Michael household.
Too bad we're not in a house. We're outside.
Yeah. The whole base is getting an upgrade. Hi, baby. My goodness, guys. Okay, so I've been moving all day, so I look like trash, but I'm about to walk into our new house. So excited. Okay, so we just got in the house and we discovered...
That's beautiful.
There's a bit of water on the floor, so we're gonna have someone come over here and check that out because I'm not sure if it's a leak or if it's just because they were cleaning the floors. I don't know. So this area right here is going to be the dog/foyer room. And then we'll walk through. And that's the stairs and this beautiful great room right here with the bathroom. I have lots of cool plans for this space. This great room is gonna be dining/living, and our TV is gonna go on that wall, and we're gonna have our little breakfast area in that corner. But it's a pretty nice living space. I'm pretty happy with it. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. It's just so much light in this area, in my kitchen. Super excited about this kitchen. And then I'll take you upstairs. It's carpeted, which is nice. This is gonna be my sister's room. And there's a lovely master bathroom. This is gonna be an office, one day, hopefully a nursery. Here is our bedroom. Our master bedroom. It will do. We actually just finished downsizing our furniture. So, we will have more room. Master bathroom. My favorite part of this is the closet. Yes. Ugh, I look like such a mess. Anyway, there's one part of the upstairs that I love. The washer and dryer are upstairs tier. The last place I lived, I had to go down to the basement and there's 2 sets of stairs. So it was a pain. And I could never hear the washer and dryer. So much light once again. Well, I'm gonna head downstairs and help Josh unload everything and get this house together. Alright, this is my beautiful kitchen. It's nice and spacious. The last one was like from here to here, and it was like, you know, in one of those old apartments. But I'm about to open up the pantry. Give me a second. Okay. So beautiful. And then there's extra space.
Aren't you glad that you have the step stool?
Oh, yes. Okay, I just have to jump on here because my dear sister back here had 1 medium margarita. Liza, how many mints did you take from the Mexican restaurant? 1. No! Show YouTube how many mints you took.
1 handful.
She's like on Bridesmaids. I took 9. I took 9 dogs.
It's actually not that much.
Yes, it is. The hostess was like, what the crap? Let's go. Show the world. Come on.
These are shoe holders.
We're on a hunt for Alyssa because we let her go in Walmart and now we can't find her. Alyssa! Oh my goodness.
Please, sir, feed me.
Oh my. Let me see. So it is almost 11 o'clock and still got quite a bit to do, but we're making progress. You can see the layout's coming together. Still not quite where I want it, and we don't have anything on the walls, but you know what? For a day's work, I'd say it's pretty good. So I think I'm gonna sign off and I'm gonna get a good night's sleep and start again tomorrow. Well, we cleaned up the kitchen a little bit and the food's all ready, so we're gonna enjoy this lovely little Easter meal. We're still working on the house, but it's coming together pretty nicely. Bye! Happy Easter!